Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see what is tamper protection in Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. Tamper protection is a capability in Microsoft Defender for Endpoint that helps protect certain security settings such as virus and threat protection from being disabled or changed. During some kinds of cyber attacks, bad actors try to disable security features on devices. Disabling security features provide bad actors with easier access to your data. The ability to install malware and the ability to exploit your data, identity and devices. Tamper protection helps guard against these types of activities. I'll just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. Okay. When you're logged on to security.microsoft.com, you have to go to settings. Here under system. Under settings, you will go to endpoints, go to general, click on advanced features, and you will see an option which says tamper protection. It is on. So it says stop unwanted changes to your security solution and its essential functions. Okay. So important things or points to keep in mind that currently, the option to manage tamper protection in Microsoft Defender portal is on by default for all the new deployments, which is a part of built-in protection, which helps guard against a ransomware. When you enable tamper protection in the Microsoft Defender portal, the setting is applied tenant-wide and restrict tamper protected settings to their secure default. If you must make changes to a device and those changes are blocked by tamper protection, you can use troubleshooting mode. I'll explain what troubleshooting mode is later. And also keep in mind the points that happens when tamper protection is turned on. When tamper protection is turned on, there are some tamper protected settings that cannot be changed. Virus and threat protection remains enabled. Real-time protection remains turned on. Behavior monitoring remains turned on. Antivirus protection including iOffice antivirus IOAV remains enabled. Cloud protection remains enabled. Security intelligence updates occur. Automatic actions are taken on detected threats. Notifications are available in the Windows Security app or Windows devices. Archived files are scanned. And exclusions cannot be modified or added, which applies to devices managed by Intune only or by Configuration Manager only. Co-managed devices are not supported. And make sure that only Windows 10 and 11, including Enterprise Multi-Session, Windows Server 2022, Windows Server 2019, and Windows Server version 1803 or later, Windows Server 2016, Windows Server 2012 R2 using the modern unified solution are the devices on which tamper protection can be enabled. You can use PowerShell to determine whether tamper protection and real-time protection are turned on. Use the command get mp-computer status. Get-mp-computer status. And look for is tamper protected or real-time protection enabled. It's coming true or false. Okay, you can try different methods because you can use Intune Admin Center or Configuration Manager. You can use Configuration Manager with tenant attached. You can use the Windows Security app to turn on the tamper protection. I hope this video was informative for all of you guys. If you have any further queries, please mention in the comments and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.